as you guys can see, this flange is too high off the floor, and that's why the toilet gets wobbly on top. So first of all, we're gonna see it's a 3-inch pipe, and the flange is the female one. So we got the new flange that goes inside the 3-inch pipe. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this flange in 4 directions, and then we're gonna try to break it. And then we have inside pipe cutter too if we need it, but I'm pretty sure we don't gonna need that one. You can just do it yourself at home with any common tools. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the sawzall and I'm gonna cut it out. And because I don't want to damage any tiles here, so yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, we got the flange out, and now we have this thing. So I'm gonna use my inside pipe cutter to cut this out, and then we're gonna see if this thing goes in. Then I think we are pretty good right here, so we got plenty of space around too to get the flange sit on top on the tiles. So yeah, let's do it. So now we're gonna break some pieces off. So to prevent something going inside the drain, so we're gonna put the paper towel inside, and it will also prevent the sewer gas coming out of it. So we're gonna just make it nice and round, and we're gonna stuck it right there so nothing goes inside and our pipe is good. Don't put the thing down, like look at that. Cut the flange, so I'm just gonna make it nicer so our flange sits here nicely. So yeah. Let's just clean it a little bit, and then we're get back to you. I did all the cleaning. Take the paper towel out, and I did try the dry fit the flange. It's good now. Let's go and glue it down, and we'll show you guys how it is now. So we are using the ABS cement to glue it down. So you can just put nice here. Please put here this side. So it fits perfect. So it's going inside there. So as you can see guys, the flange is inside, sitting right on top of the tiles, not too high, not too low. So we're gonna try the toilet now. Now I'm gonna screw it down on the concrete with the Tapcon screws. So in that case we don't get the wobbly toilet anymore. So I'm just gonna put the toilet on top, and we'll show you guys the result. So look now how flush our toilet is sitting on the floor, no wobbly at all, and the bolts are very good. So it's a good. Thank you guys for watching us.